Well, we quickly dip out of that conversation and talk about the Prime Minister's meditation tradition. And we do see a chopper. In all likelihood, the Prime Minister is now going to be in Kanyakumari. So he's almost reached this decision. But let me take in a word from Arun Dhanta, my colleague. Has he landed in Kanyakumari?
Has landed here, and in fact the timing that was given to us was around 5:30 when Prime Minister Modi would of course be offering his prayers, puja in a temple. This is the visual. This is the temple that you see right behind me. The statue that you see, first of all, is of Thiruvallur, the poet and the philosopher of Tamil Nadu. It's a 133 feet long statue, and right beside that you see a brown or reddish color roof. This is the Swami Vivekananda memorial rock, and you have a temple also there, and this is the venue where Prime Minister Modi will be meditating starting from today till about 5 p.m. On 1st of June. And on this side you can see the ocean. There are three oceans which are converging here, because that's the place where three oceans are meeting, and therefore that is the reason why you see three different are meeting at this point. This is the last piece of land. That's what they say. Swami Vivekananda had gone to Chicago. He meditated on this place. The show you where Vivekananda sat for 3 days, and people say that he attained that enlightenment, and the thought of Viksit Bharat emerged from that. This Minister Modi also, remember, after addressing more than June, the Prime Minister Modi will be coming here, and most importantly, the meaning is that we are not attached or associated to southern part of the country. Just in the BJP of Viksit Bharat, the thought which came to Swami Vivekananda at this particular point. And also remember, there are two aspects, two significant. Mr. Modi has been speaking about that, how he has been attached to the philosophy and the thought, the Ramakrishna mission, which was founded by messaging, and the political significance of this visit is concerned, that is immense together, and that's the motto of Viksit Bharat by 2047, and the role of South India. And remember that many of the South Indian political parties, whether it is the country, they're dividing on the basis of language, culture, but Prime Minister Modi has been talking about this through which things which he has done in the past, whether it is the Kashi Tamil Sangam, or it is placing the Sengol in the new parliament, and also of course visiting Tamil Nadu and South India regularly. This year itself, in 2024, Prime Minister Modi has visited 7 times to Tamil Nadu. So this is the significance. Mr. Modi is of course giving a personal message, the personal connect that he has with the Prime Minister Modi wants to send out through this visit here. So once again, I would request my camera person to just show the people who have come here. On that side you can see at the top, they all are looking towards that Swami Vivekananda memorial, because Prime Minister Modi of course be heading towards that. So first he will of course be offering his prayers to the temple, and then he will start the mission from Swami Vivekananda Rock Memorial. So it's a significant moment. Of course, we are seeing fusion parties not liking it, and I think responses are coming. They are saying that it's a violation of model code of conduct, challenging Prime Minister Modi for various things. But here you have Prime Minister Modi. He has, in fact, in 2019, I was there in Kedarnath also when Prime Minister, was there. He was in the Kedarnath temple, and even in 2014. He says that how he is attached to the religious activities, but also of course the political significant message which he wants to go. Remember, 131 seats out as of now. They could only manage to breach Karnataka, and 4 seats in 19. They have hopes from Tamil Nadu and Kerala, but we'll have to see what people had already voted on 4th of June when the results will be out. But Prime Minister Modi is sending that message that even when the elections are over, I'm still here. So my view and thought and the memory for South is not something which is only related to the polls. Mr. Vivekananda rock memorial.
Okay. Now, like you said, a lot of significance of this particular, plan of the Prime Minister. Like you said, something we saw in 2014. Manjinder Singh Sirsa of the BJP with us on the phone line. Good evening to you, sir. This is Kritsween. I'm live from Varanasi. The mood here is quite upbeat when we talk about the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. But the Prime Minister is in Kanyakumari and the opposition says this is in violation of the MCC.
Yeah, I don't think how is a violation of MCC. The Prime Minister is a very religious person. We all knew that he has a special bonding when it comes to his religious thought. Now he is there for a special purpose. After almost 100 days of election campaign, he is going there for a meditation. Then how can we say that this is a model code of conduct violation? Nobody can say this. And simply somebody being religious, going to Dwara or somebody going to a masjid, would you say that it is a model code of conduct violation? No.
Sirsa Saab,
Yes.
even the Pran Pratishtha ceremony to an extent, the fact that he's going to be meditating in Kanyakumari, the opposition says this is nothing but a photo opportunity. The Prime Minister wants to just engage headline man.
So, they have been accusing Prime Minister on every front. But one must understand,